Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to A Christian Woman's Journey. So glad that you're here. Today we're going to do a little garden to table. I'm going to be making keto stuffed peppers with a whole bunch of stuff from the garden. So glad that you are joining me. Let's head into the garden. We're going to do this Italian style. We have been getting a little bit more into decor. This is our spaghetti squash harvest, and I got this for our spices. Got spices drying in there, and another cute sign for our shed. Let's get our shears. Helps when I have my glasses on. And I always manage to chase away this sweet little bunny rabbit quite by accident. I'll take a different direction. Okay, so this bell pepper plant has really collapsed. We got a lot of gorgeous heavy peppers on it. Let's lighten the load. Got one last one here weighing the branch down. Be super careful. What a harvest! So excited. So we harvested earlier as well, chopping up some of our cherry tomatoes, a small zucchini. We're going to use that as well. Gonna pick the best looking peppers, and actually these get boiled for 10 minutes. We're just getting that water started. Seasonings are ready. We're washing some of our homegrown basil. Got red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, onion and garlic powder, and some homegrown oregano. I usually do, it's to taste, maybe a quarter to a half a teaspoon each. Okay, these have cooked 10 minutes. I've drained them. We're just gonna let them cool and we'll get the tops off. Okay, we are frying up 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Okay, so we've got this almost browned. Let's get our veggies in there, get them nice and cooked up. This is looking really colorful, really pretty, smells great. Getting our spices in there. Okay, so while that filling is cooking, we are going to get some sauce in the bottom of each of these. We can start stuffing. I usually just fill these guys right up to the top. And do not fret if you have some extra stuffing. I usually just pack that around the edges. This is looking so pretty. And I usually just add another tablespoon of sauce on top of each of these. We've got just a little bit of sauce left there. We're just gonna go ahead and place it all. And we are going to put shredded cheese on top. I have a pizza blend, but usually just use mozzarella. Just use your favorite. We are ready for a 350-degree oven, about 20 minutes. This looks great. We've got it nice and browned. That ends up being a really great meal. The family loves it. We even have some left over. Someone can bring that to work tomorrow for lunch, so it works out great. Very convenient, delicious meal. I hope you give this a try. It is super cost effective because they take so much out of the garden. I'm really only paying for a few things, and the beef. The beef would be the big expense. Now, if you want to give this a go and make it even cheaper and still keep it keto, make some cauliflower rice and use that in place of some of the beef. Okay, it'll keep the cost down even lower. Flavor will still be great. Okay guys, I'm gonna sign off, friends. Love and light, to God be the glory. I will see you again really soon. Bye now.